Yes, children, today now we are going to discuss about housing and clothing in NSO page number 25. All members open page number 25. Yes, I am reading the first question, keep finger. Look at the picture carefully and select the correct option. Okay, number A. See the picture carefully. You can see one building here. A. There are many homes in one building. Isn't it? Yes. Each home is called a flat. We call them as a flat. This is also correct. These houses are very strong and are made from bricks, cement and steel. Yes. All of these. So first one is all of this. I think all are correct. Option D. Number 2. We get dash fiber from the animal shown here. What is the animal shown here? Yak. What do we get from the yak? Wool. So option 2 is sheep, yak, all this we get wool. Okay. Number 3. In hilly areas, houses are made with sloping roofs because it prevents dash. Sloping roof means like this. In hill areas, our houses will be sloping roof. Why? Mountain animals from getting into the house. Some wild animals, mountain animals, they should not get into our house. That's why we are keeping slope house. Number B. Flood water from entering into the house. Mosquitoes from entering into the house. Snow from collecting on the roof. For what purpose? In hilly areas, our house is slant. In hilly areas, so much of snow is common. Okay, if the snow falls on the roof, it will get down. Why? Because it is slope now, it will roll like this and it will fall down. That's why their houses are sloping. So your option is third one, D. Understood? Number 4. The house shown in the figure is called dash. Yes, you have shown here one figure. What is that house? What we call them? Very good. We call them igloo. Fourth one, D. Fifth one. Banjara is an Indian community in which people keep moving from one place to another. Such people are called nomad. What we call them? Nomads. They live in the houses which move from one place to another. In ABCD, which house we can move from one place to another? Can we move this bungalow? No. Can we move the hut? No. Can we move the tent? Yes. And can we move this slant house, slit house? No. So our option is C. Tent. We can move from one place to another. Fifth one is C. Sixth one. Oh mom, I do not want to go to school today. Let me sleep more, said Kunal. In which of the following rooms Kunal should be present at this time? Where he is sleeping? In which room? Bedroom, living room, bathroom or study room? Bedroom. Whoa, very easy questions, no? Number 7th one. Yes, see here. Here one unscrambled word is there. You want to write properly. And I think we are getting cotton. In this 4 picture, which one is the cotton? All these are woolen clothes. This one is raincoat. And number D is woolen. Sorry, cotton. So our option is 7th one, D. Number 8. The house shown in the picture is usually built in a place where. Yes, in theory classes we have learned with the support of sticks, the house will be on the top of the ground. Why the sticks are here? What will happen here? Every time so much of rain is there. So, not to spoil our house, they build their house with the help of sticks. Okay. Now tell me the option. It rains a lot, wind blows very fast, heat of the sun is extreme, none of this. Yes, eighth one is A. Why? Because it rains a lot. Number 9. Namita find a piece of cloth whose characteristics are as follows. It enterprise air. It is made up of fiber obtained from an animal. This shows that the piece of cloth is made up of synthetic fiber, jute fiber, cotton fiber or woolen fiber. Now tell me from the animal. We are getting woolen fiber. Ninth one is D. 10th one. See what is she doing in this picture? Yes, this type of work we call it as a knitting, knitting. Okay, what we call that? Knitting. knitting, knitting. Okay, 10th one is C. Number 11. Ashok's house is built on wooden blocks and it has sloping roof. Ashok most probably he residing in a place where floods are common, heavy rainfall occurs, forest fires are common, earthquakes are common. Again same question. House is with the help of sticks and house have slope here. Why the slope is here? Due to heavy rainfall or due to the floods. Which option is correct here? Option 1 and 2. So in A, B, C, D, B is the correct. 11th one, B. 12th one. Refer to the given diagram and select the correct option regarding to the X and Y. They have given house in the area prone to snowfall. Here we have snowfall. We call it as a Y. And we also have here X. And this one, house in area prone to rainfall. Now tell me, which type of house we should have here? Heavy snowfall and heavy rainfall. Means our house should be sloping position. In options A, B, C, D, which one is the correct one? First one, sloping roof. And in Y, made up of wood. Very good. Where there is a snowfall, our house will be with the help with the wood, and in its place is sloping roof. So our option is directly first one. We don't need to go for second or third. First one is correct. Now turn the page, 13th one. The things shown in the box X. Yes, you have here 3 things. See carefully. Bucket, shampoo and brush with the paste. Yes? Yeah. Where do we find these items? In the kitchen room, bathroom, bedroom or living room. Actually here the letters are given in jumbling ways. And you want to find where is the bathroom in 13th one and tick for it. The option is B. B is the bathroom. 12th one is A. 13th one is B. Number 14. You want to select the incorrect option. Grips is used in temporary house like bungalow. Bungalow is a temporary house? No. A slit house can never be found in areas with heavy rainfall. Actually, slit house means only we build on the sticks. Why? Because there is a huge rainfall. And they are telling it is not a slit house. We are building the houses on the top of the ground. But they are telling it is not a slit house. Number C. Sloping roofs are found in all permanent houses because they are cheaper to build. Permanent house slope will be like this. Yes? the cloth made from eggs is not suitable to be worn in which Indian season? Actually, what is the plant? I think we can see here cotton. Yes. Can we wear cotton in the winter season, in spring season, in summer season or autumn season? In which season we won't wear, we want to tell. I think in spring season we can wear. Can we wear this in winter season? Already winter means it is very cool. And we are using the cotton dress, we will get so much of cool to our body. So, what is the option? 15th one is B. We won't use cotton dresses in winter season. Number 16. See here, 16. Keep finger, okay? Study the given flowchart which alphabets D, E, F, G or H best represents caravan and igloo respectively. First of all, caravan is a temporary house or permanent house? Temporary house. And igloo, permanent house. This one to get in the mind. Now keep finger near house. Yeah, house. What that called? Permanent house. Okay. If no, if S means D. Now see the option D here. A, B, C, D. In A, B, C, D, where is the D? Near the igloo. Igloo is a permanent house. They told here house is a permanent house. Yes. Yes means D. Okay, we think D is a permanent house. If it is not a permanent house, then it is a boat. If boat is a temporary house, yes, that is E. Where we can find E? In caravan, first A, E. Okay, and next. If it is no again, if it is not a boat, down, have wheels. Yes. Do caravan have wheels? Yes. So what is the S here? S is F. So in which we have in ABCD where we have F? In B. So caravan belongs to F. So B, F is the correct caravan. Now we want to find igloo. Okay. Now F is correct. And if it is also wrong, no, made up of cloth. Igloo is made up of cloth? No. If no means they can come down. House is made up of snow. Yes, igloo is made up of snow. Yes means see here. Here you have yes. What is the letter you have here? Yes. H. So here F is correct and here H is correct. F and H. In option D we can find F and H. So 16th one option is B. 16th one B. 17th now. 17th one also very easy. Find out. Study the weather forecast report of Delhi given below. Here 1st July sunny, 2nd July cloudy, 3rd July rainy, 4th July cloudy. Which of the following should be worn on 3rd July in the case once goes out? 3rd July if we want to go out, keep finger near 3rd July, it was raining. Yes? If we want to go out, what we should wear? In ABCD, raincoat, woolen socks, silk craft or woolen cap. What do you want to wear? Raincoat. 17th one, A. 18th one. Study the given classification chart that could be D, E, F and G. Same like 16. Okay, see here. Types of clothes. Okay, here they have given plant fiber, here animal fiber. obtained from fruit. Why? Because these are plants now, fruit and stem. Here animal fiber getting from hair of animal and cocoon of the animal. Now we want to find here D. What do we get from the D? From the fruit. What we are getting from the stem, and what we are getting from the hair, and what we are getting from the cocoon. Now see the options. Number D, jute. Are we getting jute from the fruit? No. Next. Cotton. Are we getting cotton from the stem? Yes. Yes or no? And are we getting hair? Wool? Wool, yes. We are getting cocoon means silk. Okay, yes. Number B. D. Cotton. Yes. See here. Here you can see 15th question. You have here cotton plant. Your cotton is getting from the fruit. Yellow color is there. From that yellow color you are getting white color. If you want, you can see 15th question. So we are getting here cotton. From the stem we are getting jute. And option here we are getting hair, wool. And cocoon we are getting silk. So in which option we have cotton, jute, wool and silk? It is one B. From B option we are getting all this. Number 19th. You can do it easily. Do yourself. Name of 4 types of house are hidden in the given puzzle. In the puzzle you have some houses like you have given pictures here. Same you can write here. Houseboat, caravan, tent, and last one is bangla. Bangla or house. Whatever you are getting in this you can write. Or hut. Okay? I think this answer is solve the puzzle and select the house whose name is not hidden. In these 4 pictures, one answer is not there in this puzzle. Maybe I think this D1 is not there. Okay? This is a bangla. We cannot find bangla here. Okay? So 19th one is D. You write the answer there in the boxes. Okay, houseboat, caravan, tent, hut you write. 4th one, 20th one. 4 equal sized pieces of cloth materials PQRS on soaking in water absorbed water. PQRS are the cloth pieces here, and we are dipped all these 4 in the water and water were absorbed. The amount of the water absorbed by them is tabulated in the given graph. Which of these is the most suitable for making a raincoat? Yes. In these 4 pictures, they dipped in the water and they took out. Then also we can find in T water, in R also some water, and in S also water. But Q we cannot find any water. So Q is preferable and suitable for making a raincoat. So our option is Q. In ABCD, C. 20 C. So we have completed this NSO topic about housing and clothing.